The iRide 2 lightweight folding mobility scooter by Pride Mobility. This ultra lightweight scooter is super portable and perfect for traveling. Equipped with both a manual handbrake and a supplemental foot brake, the iRide 2 delivers a safe ride. A folding back has been added for increased comfort, along with an upgraded LCD display for increased functionality. The iRide 2 features a weight capacity of 250 pounds, a top speed of 5.8 miles per hour, and a driving range of over 10 miles per charge. Offering 3 speed settings, airline-compliant lithium-ion battery pack, twist grip throttle, and portability for easy travel. Regain your mobility freedom with the iRide lightweight folding mobility scooter by Pride Mobility. Order today from AutoMobility store and receive free shipping.